Welcome to our deep dive into the critical world of apartment maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, your friendly guide into the intricacies of this multifaceted field. In this video, we will explore everything from the various roles within a maintenance team to the challenges these teams face in managing a large apartment complex. We'll also touch on the different types of apartments and their unique maintenance needs. And for those considering a career in this field, we'll highlight some qualification pathways you could follow. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team or simply curious, stick around for a comprehensive look into this fascinating world. Let's dive in. This is all about the upkeep of multifamily residences. It's a wide-ranging field that covers everything from plumbing and HVAC repairs to appliance repair, security, cleaning, groundskeeping, and even pest control. The ultimate goal? To ensure that the buildings remain livable, safe, and comfortable for tenants and others on the premises. Depending on the size of the apartment complex, the maintenance team can vary. Smaller complexes often have just one maintenance worker, while larger properties with hundreds of housing units employ multiple technicians to handle the increased workload. First, we have maintenance technicians. They handle the bulk of repair and upkeep tasks. They need to have diverse skill sets and perform both routine maintenance and emergency repairs. Then, we have maintenance managers. In complexes with fewer than 100 units, you typically find just one maintenance manager on staff. In these smaller settings, the manager often handles all aspects of apartment maintenance, including planning, scheduling, budgeting, and completing maintenance tasks. But in larger properties with over 200 apartments, these personnel focus more on their managerial role, while other part and full-time workers handle the repair and upkeep work. And finally, we have maintenance supervisors. These are the folks who organize daily tasks, ensure compliance with safety standards, and oversee technicians as they perform their various maintenance tasks. Let's imagine a large apartment complex in a college town with 800 units. The property's maintenance staff consists of a maintenance manager, a supervisor, and 4 maintenance technicians. Most of the work requests are fairly quick fixes, such as faucet leaks, flickering bulbs, lack of warm water, and minor appliance issues. Each of these can be resolved in an hour or less. Some problems are more time-consuming, but still fall within the realm of their technicians' expertise. For problems that are beyond the maintenance crew's capabilities, management hires outside contractors. Occasionally, they'll get work requests for issues outside of their housing residences, like lobbies, elevators, and lounge areas. The combination of work requests and routine maintenance is enough to keep the team quite busy, and many work orders end up waiting a couple days before they're resolved. Because of this, the apartment manager decides to hire a 5th full-time technician to make sure every work order is resolved within 24 hours. Additionally, the workload spikes dramatically after spring semester, when most students head home for the summer. Since many of their student tenants don't submit work requests while attending school. These issues are often left unresolved, and the property manager will hire a few temporary maintenance workers to get everything fixed up before leasing those units again. Now, apartments come in many forms, each with its own maintenance needs. We have studios, walk-ups, high-rises, lofts, duplexes, triplexes, and garden apartments, just to name a few. For those interested in joining the apartment maintenance field, there are several certification and training programs available. The National Apartment Association, or NAA, awards the Certificate for Apartment Maintenance Technicians, or CAMT, to those who complete their training program, have 12 months of experience in apartment maintenance, and complete a final exam. The National Affordable Housing Management Association, or NAHMA, offers 2 credentials, the NAHMT and NAHMS, to technicians and supervisors respectively. Candidates must fulfill a number of strict training and experience requirements before applying for either of these credentials. The Apartment Maintenance Institute also provides training and courses for those either seeking a position in apartment maintenance or who want to expand on their skills. And if you're looking for news and resources, check out Multifamily Insiders and the National Apartment Association's online publication called Units Magazine. These platforms publish numerous blogs and materials relevant to apartment maintenance. So there you have it, a comprehensive look into the world of apartment maintenance. Whether you're a tenant, a property manager, or someone considering a career in this field, understanding the ins and outs of apartment maintenance is crucial. And that wraps up our deep dive into apartment maintenance. We've discussed the roles within a maintenance team, the challenges faced in managing a large apartment complex, and the unique maintenance needs of various types of apartments. We've also highlighted some qualification pathways for those considering a career in this field. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help you manage your maintenance and operations teams more efficiently, visit us at upkeep.com.